The paper and pulp industry is a manufacturing giant. However, its energy needs can be equally massive. That's why many industrial units are turning to captive solar power to cut cost and reduce their environmental footprint. But there's a hidden enemy for solar panels in a paper mill, that is dust. Paper production creates a lot of it, blocking sunlight and reducing energy output. Cyclic cleaning is expensive and doesn't account for the density and spread of dust in the DC field. Workers often miss heavily soiled modules by following their schedules, leaving panels vulnerable to damage. Introducing the FutrOS Smart Module Cleaning system. Our algorithms monitor dust levels in real time, allowing for targeted cleaning when it's needed most. Set customized cleaning schedules based on weather, dust accumulation, and cleaning budget. FutrOS algorithms pair well with automated cleaning robots too. The results: a whopping 12% increase in energy production with zero increase in the cleaning budget. Better generation means a greater reliance on clean energy and a lower carbon footprint of the produced material. Don't let dust dim your solar dreams. FutrOS Smart Module Cleaning keeps your industry humming and your energy costs down.